Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is daily time frame chart. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks. And the recent movement to the downside makes a lot of the investors and traders a little bit uncomfortable. Why? The main reason is that if we get this short-term trend line and let's say start this trend line and our analysis from here, we can see that we got a breakout below this trend line. So let me just change the color to orange so it will be okay and visible for the chart. Lows made at 61,600, today's low 62,000, so only 400 tethers above the local low from the last week. Doesn't actually looks good for the bulls at all, especially because the movement to the downside is mainly done with the big spread red candles, down candles. Okay, so it looks like charge of the market right now, and they are pushing the market way lower. Major technical supports that we should pay attention to are 61,600. I've just mentioned this level. Let me just place it on the screen. 60,985, and the last one might be somewhere around 59,258, and one more just a little bit above it, 60,000 tethers. So we got very distinct two zones, demand zones, right, located here. Let me just grab some of the tools, like for example a little bit of the rectangle, and show you guys this these zones here. Of course, because it is like a demand zone, so let me just make it like this. So that's the first one. All right, and let me just make the second one, and the second one is roughly around here. Okay, so there is low, and any breakout below of this demand zone would likely let's say question the uptrend for a bigger down cycle, because right now all of this price action can be treated as some sort of the correction before the halving, some sort of the horizontal trend before the halving. The halving is the main thing here in our books, in our fundamental events for 2024. It's obvious, right? So this price action here might be a little bit erratic, might be a little bit different than usual because of the halving. However, any breakout lower below first or the second supply demand zone, might be completely different situation for the bulls, and might be a game changer for the bears, because in that situation they would make it even towards the 52,800 area, this slight consolidation here, right? So what we should expect, these demand zones will be protected. Okay, so the dips will be bought. So it is right now, the dips are being bought back up, but the overall bounces from the lows are getting smaller and smaller in the range. So it looks like the bears are still getting stronger just ahead of the halving. Halving is in roughly 3 days, more or less. So it's not that far away. When the situation will clear out, then we will know more about some sort of the directional movement of the Bitcoin, because right now all of this price action is all about the pre-halving positioning. Let me just place last lines on this chart. Those lines are of course the technical resistances in case of a breakout to the upside, so you guys know the levels. This is the last video for the Bitcoin to Tether ahead of the halving, so we will meet again after the halving is completed. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you guys good luck. See you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.